Welcome everyone to HFN, also known as HueFin News. Today is October the 19th, 2020, and on today's video, we are going to talk about, for those of you interested in Cardano, this is what we're going to speak on. We're going to give you all an update on what the trap has done since our last video in Cardano, and then we're going to try to gauge to see where he's expected to go before he actually gets there. Now, if this is your first time watching our video, make sure before you go, hit the like button, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. It is just that easy, just like it's so easy to predict price movement in the cryptocurrency space. So we do look forward to you all becoming part of our community. If not, there's nowhere else you can go in order to get the simplistic way of price forecast in the cryptocurrency markets. So make sure you do that before you go. So October the 16th was the last day that we did our video on Cardano, and here we are. Let me zoom in and let you all see. We expected the trap to lower the price in Cardano, and since that particular time, the market in Cardano has not done it. I mean, we just literally been consolidating within a very tight range. So you may be asking yourself the question, well, the market may actually continue to go higher in price. It could, but we're going to look at multiple time frames to see if that's going to be the case for the long term, because you can see right here on this daily time frame that as we continue to go higher in price in Cardano, what's been going on with the volume? That's the divergence. Every time the market tries to inch higher and increase the value of Cardano, we lose less and less interest of those trying to participate. That is not a good sign in the sense that we're going to continue to see a bigger movement to the upside. So keep that in mind. The volume has been on the decrease in the market in Cardano, even though we are seeing strength on the price chart. Okay, definitely recognize that. So let's take a look at the market in Cardano in 3 days. You guys can see right here that we are starting off quite well. I mean, the market is not extremely weak. Okay, it is not that bad. As a matter of fact, we're definitely noticing how the trap wants to keep the price in Cardano right here above 10.5 cents. That is crucial. That is very important for us to see the continuation of movement higher in price. So we need to keep that in mind as we continue to push forward throughout this work week. 10.5 cents. The market trades above 10.5 cents. I'm telling you now, the market will go higher in price. And the weakness that came through on these 2-3 day price bars literally did not have any reaction to the market. The market trap still held price in Cardano. The 5-day price chart, again, the weakness came in the last 5 days. Now we have 2 more days and 14 hours on this current 5-day bar, so we're not out the woods completely. That simply means that we can still see the market go lower. Okay, but from the last completed 5-day price bar, the market is weak. Okay, so it's still kind of a wash. The market can be seen going both directions as of this moment from the 5-day chart. Now on the weekly, again, stockpile came in on the last completed weekly price bar. So again, the market in Cardano is still emphasizing the trap is what I'm telling you is that the trap is trying to increase the value in Cardano, but it's taking forever. It's a very slow, methodical movement. It is not one of those vast high volatility type days to where the market in Cardano is going to shoot up 25%. We're not seeing that based off the price movement and how slow the market has been moving higher in price. So again, the strength to the market in Cardano is definitely here, but it's not as strong as what I wanted to tell you of a bullishness to where the market's going to be up 15%. I don't see that right now. But the strength is here in the market in Cardano. So what we have to do from our last forecast, we're going to take this one off as a loss into the market in Cardano. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that real quick. And that will be about 4.46% market loss from our forecast 3 days ago. Okay, so let's go ahead and take that away. And now we are going to expect the market in Cardano, considering from what we've seen the last 3 days of the trap's performance, that the market is going to continue to shoot higher in price. Okay, so we're going to continue to play that forecast out into the market in Cardano. Now, I want to be the first one to tell you that I don't see that much bullishness. All right. The strength is just the overall emotional feel of the trap. You know, he feels comfortable in increasing the value of Cardano. It just is. It's just what it is. Okay. So let's go ahead and play this out into the market in Cardano. Because we're definitely still seeing the strength into the market for this market currency. I would just say we need to be a little bit more vigilant around this area of restriction. Once on the 4-hour chart, let me show it to you real quick. So the market restriction is coming in right here. Okay, so we would definitely have to TP the market right here on 11 cents. Okay, the market needs to go above that in order for us to really see a bigger impact on moving higher price. So we will have to TP the market in Cardano right here at 11 cents, because that literally can hamper the market moving higher from the trap. This is where sellers would appear into the market in Cardano. Okay, so 11 cents would be a TP location for us, which would be a meager 1.5% profitability in this forecast. I mean, you got to expect it though. We can definitely see how that particular location, that price level, can actually hinder Cardano from moving higher in price. So we got TP at 11 cents, but if we crack 11 cents to the upside, I don't see any issues for the market to try to come maybe towards 11.5, which would also be about 6% market movement from where we are at right now. Okay, so we have 11 cents and 11.5 cents as locations to where we would TP the market at in Cardano, and it's just that easy. So now it's your turn. What's your expectations that you're seeing into the market in Cardano? Everything doesn't look bearish. We are definitely still seeing strength on multiple time frames, and even amongst the weakness so far, it hasn't impacted the market severely to where you would expect us to have a bigger drop in price. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to continue to play some of the strength into the market in Cardano. 11 cents TP, 11.5 cents as well will be our TP price. Now it's your turn. What are you noticing into the market for Cardano? Are you seeing higher movement? Are you seeing weakness? Are you still expecting the market in Cardano to go lower? What are you noticing in the price chart? Because you got to get there before the trap takes the market there in order for you to capitalize on this strength or on your own forecast. So tell us what your comment in the comment section. Where are you seeing the market in Cardano being in the next 3 days? Where will we be? And give us your TP price as well. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and we will speak again on our next video.